Hi, my name is Judge George Boyett, and I've been a Justice of Peace in Brazos County since 1989. I'm going to explain a few things about the class you're about to attend. Please listen carefully because this is important information which can make the difference in whether you receive your certificate or not. Although you may not feel like it now, it is a privilege to have the option of taking a driving safety course to dismiss a traffic violation or receive up to a 10% discount on certain automobile insurance coverage. This book is the Texas Driver and Traffic Safety Education Act, written by our legislators. The law exists because traffic crashes in Texas annually take the lives of thousands of people and cause billions of dollars in economic losses. These alarming facts make safe driving a concern for all citizens of our state. Deaths, injuries, and property damage have to be reduced. The attitudes and skills of drivers must be improved through effective driving safety programs. It is extremely important to the citizens of this state to identify and implement all reasonable means to reduce human suffering and property loss that results from vehicle crashes. The law requires that all driving safety classes cost a minimum of $25 and be 6 hours in length to dismiss a traffic violation. You will be signing a statement on your certificate that you have taken a 6-hour driving safety course. If you sign this statement fraudulently, you could be charged with tampering with a government document. The maximum penalty for tampering with a government document could be 2 to 10 years imprisonment and a fine not to exceed $10,000. Also, the law states the definition of a driving safety course is a course of instruction intended to improve a driver's knowledge, perceptions, and attitudes about driving. If you leave here believing that this course did not provide you with adequate information for you to improve your knowledge, perceptions, and attitudes, you need to inform the Texas Education Agency. The Texas Education Agency, in cooperation with the Department of Public Safety, is charged with overseeing these courses of instruction. With that said, I'm now going to explain some things about what to expect during and after this class. Your instructor will be asking you to complete a student information form similar to this one. It is very important that you print legibly and correctly all of the information on this form, because this information will be used to print and mail your certificate to you. If anything is missing or completed inaccurately, your certificate may be lost in the mail. For instance, if you leave off your apartment number or zip code, the post office may not deliver the certificate. Also, if you're having the certificate sent to an address other than your own and you do not indicate "in care of," the post office may not deliver the certificate. The certificate must be mailed to you, not to the court. Do not fill in the court's address as the mailing address of the certificate. You will, however, need to fill in the name of the court where the certificate will be submitted. The court information is very important and is printed on the certificate. Please be specific. Writing in JP or municipal is not sufficient. You must write in the name of the Justice of the Peace or City Municipal Court as it appears on your traffic citation. If you try to guess and get it wrong, the court may not accept the certificate and you may be required to retake the course. So please make sure your information is correct. Also, pay close attention to the date the court gives you in which to appear and abide by that date so that you don't end up with a warrant for your arrest. Make sure you follow the order of the court, even if you have not received your certificate. The certificate you get in the mail will look like this. Please open it carefully and make sure to retain both your court and insurance copies. The certificate will be mailed to you within 15 working or 21 calendar days from the date you complete the course. If you do not receive your certificate or accidentally misplace it, contact the Texas Education Agency in Austin to request a duplicate. As a final note, if you observe fraudulent activity occurring and report it to the Texas Education Agency, you could receive a reward of up to $500. These rewards will be based for information regarding the selling of certificates or early dismissal of classes if it leads to the revocation of a license or criminal conviction in a court of law. In order to be eligible for the reward, a person must supply enough information to initiate an investigation which leads to a revocation or conviction. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy your class and walk away feeling like you've learned something valuable. Remember, by working together to change our perception, attitudes, and skills, we can make Texas roads and highways a safer place to drive.